everyone, we're here today at the Footwear Factory here in Basak Pardo, and together with me is Sir Fermin Suralta. Alright, and he's the owner of this shoemaking shop. So if you see at our background, mo niya mga klase-klaseng mga sapatos nilang gibaligya diri. So they have construction shoes, safety shoes, shoes for policemen, mga our uniform officers, combat shoes. Napot sila yung mga dancing shoes. So mo offer mo or mo customize mo og mga sandals, mga boots. So if you're a fan of Dr. Martens gani, that was my question before sa ilang shop. Do you somehow customize similar to that? Yung sila, oh, so if you're a fan of that, that's very expensive if you buy the original ones. And if you're trying to look for affordable alternatives, you can actually have it made here in why is it DEF?
That's an acronym.
Acronym sa?
Apelido na mo.
Okay. Okay. So acronym din na siya. So it's DEF. Donaire.
Islawan na kung asawa.
And F.
Permin.
Okay. So DEF. Naari na siya pasabot, guys. So DEF Footwear Factory. So sir, how long does it take to make a pair of shoes?
Sa lalaki, makaproduce sila 20 pairs sa 24 hours ang lalaki.
20 pairs in one day?
24 hours ang lalaki.
Okay. So that's for the men's shoes, mga ingani.
Makaproduce sila.
Okay. How about for the dancing shoes?
Mas dugay-dugay na siya kaya mas kuti na trabahoon.
And how much is the dancing
That
shoes?
is 1,200.
1,200. Pero ligon, dyan no, kung sayang man.
Kung kanang original na sa gawas is $130.
130 times mga
6,000.
6,000.
Mga 6,000.
So,
5,000 to 6,000.
So amazing inyong mga dagko jud kayo magma-save guys if magpa-customize mo diri labi na kato mga dagko kay mga tiil na maglisod og pangita sa ilang shoe size in the department store. Please feel free to contact. They have a Facebook page which is just DEF Footwear Factory, and message Mr. Fermin. They will cater to all your shoe needs. So mauna siya ilang display, but they have a lot of other designs, and of course, as I mentioned a while ago, they can make the design that you wish them to make. So just make sure to message ahead. How many days ahead should they message you, sir?
1 week lang.
1 week. So give them 7 days if you would like to request mga shoes to be made for your mga family and friends. So gift ideas nindot po ni guys kay if di mo ganahan ano mga common gani mapalit sa department store, libi na designs are very common if you just purchase it in mga shoe department in the store. So if you come here and if you wish to have a specific design made just for you, don't forget to hit up DEF Footwear Factory. Please invite our viewers to come and visit if they would like to see in actual ang mga sapatos inyong ginahimo, or if they have any questions. So what's your message for them, sir?
Pwede na sila mo text, pwede mo tawag, pwede mo PM, pwede mo DM.
Price range gani sa inyong sapatos usually around 1K?
Safety shoes na mo nasa sa mga 70 to 1,500.
7,000 to
750 to
750 to 1,500.
Safety shoes.
Kaning mga safety shoes, mga ingana. Okay.
Kaning atong with lock shoes, magamit na to ni sa bumbero, guardia, PNP, BGMP. Daghan mo gamit tayo.
Pila po na isa ka pair?
900 pesos lang.
900 pesos only. And what if they buy in bulk? Na discount?
Pwede ra.
Pwede ra discountan if daghan inyong orders. And for the dancing shoes,
nasa sa mga 1,000 to 1,500.
1,000 to 1,000. Are those the only colors or can they request for a color?
Makapili sila color kung silang gusto.
Wow, okay.
Makapili sila.
Nice. So you have a selection of colors that they can choose from. Okay. So what's your store hours perhaps if they want to visit?
Kasagaran mga alas 6 sa buntag, 4 alas 10 sa gabi na arami.
Okay. Sayo, naraman mo diri do, nag-stay po daw. Okay.
Naraman akong anak diri pero
Sige. So, do you deliver or should they pick it up?
kung bolyo mag-deliver mi pero kung ginagmay lang kasagaran pick up raman.
I see.
Pero ang uban ila naman lang ipa-JRS, lalamog.
Ipa-courier na lang.
Ipa-courier na lang nila.
Sige. So, thank you so much for having me today here, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Daghang kay salamat po sa pagbisita. Nakahatag yung lugar na mo. Nakahatag ang oras. Murag busy gyud kayo. Pero kita
Okay
okay, yung panahon nimo.
You're welcome. You're welcome,
Thank you kayo.
sir.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.